Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Taal volcano in the province of Batangas in Philippines has burst into life again on Thursday afternoon with a short-lived dark rheatomagmatic plume. This plume rose to a kilometer into the air, the Philippines Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said in a statement. Taal volcano is now under alert level 3 on 5-tier scale after an eruption that involves both magma and water occurred on July 1. Alert level 3 means there is a magmatic unrest or movement of magma, and the state volcanologist warned that it may further drive succeeding eruptions. It also means magma is near or at the surface and the activity could lead to hazardous eruption in weeks. Level 5 means a life-threatening eruption is occurring that could endanger the communities. Strong sulfur dioxide emissions was detected on the 20th June and had caused volcanic smog in the Taal craters. Agencies are closely monitoring the situation in Taal, and mass evacuation is being carried out near the volcano, which is at the south of Manila, after an eruption sent steam and rock fragments hundreds of meters into the sky. Previously, more than 14,000 people have been evacuated from the towns around Taal Lake, which surrounds the volcano. The agency has warned of possible succeeding eruptions and immediately raised the alert level from 2 to 3. They have recommended the evacuation of Volcano Island and the high-risk areas of Agoncillo and Loren towns. It is estimated that nearly 15,000 people live in the most dangerous areas. Taal volcano is situated in the picturesque lake and has been belching sulfur dioxide for several days and has been creating a thick haze over the capital and several surrounding provinces and prompting health warnings. The agency have also asked people to stay away from a small island in a scenic lake where Taal is situated. The area is considered a permanent danger zone along with a number of nearby lakeside villages in Bata. As per the data, during the last eruption in June 2020, this volcano had blast ash 15 kilometers high and spewed red-hot lava, crushing scores of the homes, killing livestock, and sending over 135,000 people into shelters. But the agency monitoring volcano division said till now they do not expect the same scenario as last year's eruption. In February 2021, after over a year of the 2020 eruption, the Batangas residents were ordered to be evacuated from Taal Volcano Island due to the volcano's increasing activity. Again in March, agency raised the volcano's alert to number 2 and said that it is showing signs of an increasing unrest. Taal is one of the most active volcanoes in Philippines, and it is periodically hit by eruptions and earthquakes due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire is a zone of intense seismic activity. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.